Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi Poco X4 Pro 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can operate App Permission Manager on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Now you need to select Privacy Protection over here and choose All Permissions. Following that, pick one of your phone's features like Location and select an app. I will go with AliExpress. Then tap on one of those options, Allow only while using the app, Ask every time, or Don't allow. I will go with Allow only while using the app, so when I go back, as you can see, AliExpress gained access to this device location if I'm using it. But you can always just click on one of your apps, select See all AliExpress permissions, and manage all of them for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!